all. So today I'm going to talk about procrastination, how you can overcome it. So try this simple techniques. Now start with one tiny action. Drink water after walking, and instead of postponing it, just walk for 5 minutes and sleep 15 to 30 minutes early every day, and small and sustainable. So these small efforts would lead to big impact later on. Then lower the pressure. Done is better than perfect. Instead of thinking of doing or making perfection, you can do small acts every day, and that is better, right? And then later you would feel good, and you would start increasing the time from 15 minutes walk to half an hour, and then to 45 minutes, and then to 1 hour. So that is how you can live a healthy life. Attach wellness to existing habits. Inculcate as a habit. Again, drink water after brushing, stretch after shower, meditate before sleep. Be kind to yourself, be gentle to yourself. Change grows from compassion and not judgment. And we can do it through EFT, that is emotional freedom technique, chakra balancing. We can overcome procrastination. Just like the habits we inculcate, right? As in brushing our teeth twice a day, we can also inculcate these healthy habits at an early age for our children, so that they do not do it, and from the early age they can live happy and a healthy life. So thank you. That's about procrastination and how to overcome it. If you want to know about the techniques, you can connect with me, and I would be teaching you EFT as well as chakra balancing and breathing techniques, for which you do not have to go to the gym or any yoga classes. You can do it right from your home, so you do not have any more excuses there. And I would also be starting with a 21-day challenge from December. You can definitely join that, and if you are interested to make a healthy living and welcome this new year with a new you, with a better version of yourself, a healthy and a best version of yourself, start doing it now before this year ends, and welcome the new year with the best version of yourself. So do not postpone, do not procrastinate, start it right now. So do follow, share and like my channel, and thank you. Stay healthy, stay fit.